What's up, guys? Welcome back to this channel, CoinStar 1337 here on d.tube. I will also be putting this on YouTube afterwards. But in this video, I want to address the Bitcoin sell-off that's going down. I meant to make a video back here, but long story short, I was busy out of town and I didn't get around to it until now. Anyways, now we are down at under $7,000 on the Bitstamp exchange. As far as the Litecoin price, we are sitting down here at 125. We went as low as 107 a few days ago, and on GDAX we went as low as about $102 for the Litecoin price. Now, in this video, I actually outlined the possibility of this happening and saying that, it's definitely possible we can get to these prices, which we are now seeing now. So if you want to check a link to this video in the description down below. But guys, we still are not done. Now, this is a major support level that we are at now, and it is possible to see a bounce play back up to maybe $8,000 to $9,000. We have a little bit of congestion around this price range here, okay? So we could see a bounce play up to there, or we could continue to see a sell-off and hit that 6,000 before we see a bounce play. So if you're thinking about getting in, now is the time to start looking. Maybe start putting in some of your position now. Maybe start putting in some of your position later on if you're looking for a bounce play. That being said, guys, long-term on the long-term trends, we still have further down to go. We still have the support level down here at the $4,500 range, and we still have the major support at the 3,000 through 2,000, what's that, 2,500 range, guys, that we can definitely see a retest of. So in terms of long-term, guys, Bitcoin still has further to dump. And in terms of a bounce play, bounce plays are risky. Nothing is guaranteed. Now it's time to look into hopping in for a quick bounce play. Now let's take a look at the Litecoin prices. Now I said that we would see these prices, very possible we would see these prices in this video here. And now we are actually seeing these prices. So the question is now, what is the deal? What to do? Now, Litecoin is a smaller market cap coin, even though it is in the billions of dollars. It probably could go down to retest this support level here. Okay, anywhere between 78 all the way down to the 60s. So we can definitely see that price range hit on the Litecoin. And the crazy thing is, even if we got that low of a price, we would still be in a uptrend in terms of the long-term chart starting from here. Okay, so guys, strap in. This is definitely within the round of possibility that we can see this price. Now, Bitcoin, Litecoin, we are definitely in the bear market phase in terms of candlesticks, in terms of sentiment and all that. We're in the bear market phase, guys. So right now, and probably for the rest of this year, we need to be looking at this in terms of bear market trading strategies, okay? Bull market was back here. These are bull market trading strategies. Now you guys need to probably be looking at this in terms of bear market trading strategies. Now guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just my educated opinion. This is for educational purposes only, entertainment purposes only, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But as someone coming into the space for the first time, if you're brand new to Bitcoin, I could not recommend you buying Bitcoin or Litecoin. This is Bitcoin here. This is Litecoin here. In the current state right now at the current chart patterns, I would like to see a long-term consolidation. I would like to see a stabilization, a relatively stabilization of the price. Something similar to how we've seen back here. Okay. A multi-month stabilization pattern before recommending this to any newcomer. So if you're new to the space, you're not entirely sure what's going on, you don't want to lose any money, then don't buy. Wait till we see a stabilization pattern. If you're buying now, expect to hold 2 to 3 years before you see any returns. I mean, you could see the bounce plays, like I said, but bounce plays are never guaranteed. Okay. So guys, those are my predictions. Those are my thoughts in terms of the price. I can definitely see us come back down before the end of this year and test these prices. I can't tell if it's going to be within 6 months or sooner. And then I can see us go down to these prices. Okay, guys. So strap in, be prepared, do what you got to do. Never invest money you can afford to lose. And guys, stay safe out there. Take your money off the exchanges, because right now we have this huge scandal going on with Tether and Bitfinex, and no one's even sure if they're solvent or not. And if that was to unravel, you could possibly lose your coins if it was kept in that exchange. So guys, be vigilant, be watchful, and also just any exchange, just be very watchful, be very vigilant. Never put more money on an exchange that you're not willing to just vanish overnight, because you never know what exchange is going to get hacked, what exchange is insolvent. You never know until it happens. So anyways, that is going to go ahead and conclude this video. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Anyone who comments on my videos on d.tube will, and they also have to leave their Doge address, will be receiving a free Doge. And everyone who comments on my video on d.tube will be receiving free upvotes, which will pay out as, I guess, a few pennies in Steam. So anyone who comments will get those upvotes, and anyone who comments their Doge address, one lucky winner will receive those free Doge on that video. That's going to go ahead and conclude this one, and I'm out.